Not too bad, eh? It's a good sign. See that in winter? Aren't those beautiful hellebores? Look at them, all the different types of hellebores. Lots of flowers out now. Feeling like spring here on the Gulf Islands. They're beautiful. We have so many of these in our garden. Wendy's a Helleborus collector, so. Wow. Gorgeous. In winter. Hey, Pam.
Hello.
These are beautiful Helleborus, man. Look at them. They are nice. I'm liking these. We got a bunch blooming in our garden right now. Look at that one.
Oh, look at that one.
Yeah. Oh, I know. Look at that. Isn't that great?
Oh, boy, those together.
These are beauties, man. Oh, I'm liking it. That's a nice sign to see that, isn't it?
Yeah.
Getting close to spring.
Exactly. Well,
Those are beautiful. We grow so many Helleborus in our garden. Oh, yeah. My wife collects them.
Well, there's some nice ones that I hadn't seen before.
But that's what I mean. You got some really beauties in here, man. Look at this. Aren't those gorgeous, huh?
Yeah.
Wow. Nice to see in February. Thanks for watching. Cheers.
Well, especially when you consider that deer don't eat them.
Now, I know deer don't eat them. Well, they're actually poisonous, eh? Helleborus. They're apparently poisonous. And they're evergreen, too, which is nice. The leaves are evergreen here. And, you know, they're a nice winter flower on the Gulf Islands.
Oh, yeah.
Beauties.